This is the most awaited tutorial. Complete residential building planning. Complete project. We will design this project 10x faster. And plus, you will understand what are the building codes, what are the minimum criteria to be followed when design residential project. Let this tutorial deeply. So these are industrial exposure. This will help you uncover the great possibility in industry. We will design typical floor, parking floor, and ground floor, and then roof floor and top roof floor, then plot location setup. So let's begin. First we will make building line. Okay, let this rectangle 3070 by 4560. This is our building line. Okay, building line means we will provide setback from three sides, left and right and rear, and front will provide projection 170 centimeter. For now, we are taking building line. Okay, this is not our plot, this is our building line. Let this center to center line, and one side only you have to keep something like this. Okay, why we are making like this? Because this will help smoothly to mirror all around. Okay, now copy from here. Okay, let this copy, and we'll keep here 400 centimeter. Again copy, and let this here 400 centimeter. This is our standard size for bedroom, living and dining. We are keeping like this. Okay, same again, let this down. This is our balcony area, and let this copy again, and we will keep here 400 centimeter again. Copy again, we'll keep 150 centimeter. Okay, this is our corridor. Once again, let this copy, and this part we will keep our duct area. Okay, let this 200 centimeter. Now smoothly inside whatever not required, trim. This is our bedroom 1. This is our bedroom 2. Okay, and this is our wider living and dining. Simply what we had to do, our bathroom. Okay, inside bedroom, let this 200 centimeter. Copy, and here let this 255 centimeter. Okay, this is okay. Again let this copy 200 centimeter, and this part copy again 255 centimeter. This is our standard size. We are getting both bedroom, attached bathroom, one for balcony. Okay, this bedroom, attached bathroom for this flat apartment we are getting. Okay, and this side we are getting duct. This will access your service. Okay, and this apartment we will cover also smoothly, and let this here center to center we have covered. Okay, we have to place kitchen also, right? Now we will stretch this part center to center, intersected line. We have taken a straight line center to center. Okay, now okay, what we will do, we will stretch this part little bit down 150 centimeter. This is okay. We will take dimension, how much we are getting, 550, 550. Let this part move 120 centimeter. Okay, so we are getting wider lobby, and this will keep common toilet that will access from living and dining smoothly. One flat apartment we are covering like this. Okay, this is our living and dining with balcony. This is lobby. Okay, and this is bedroom 1, attached bathroom, bedroom 2 with balcony, attached bathroom, and kitchen area. This is our duct, and here balcony we are getting. This one flat apartment, our planning will come something like this. Okay, outer area for elevation, wonderful elevation purpose, we will stretch, we will make curve. Okay, let this stretch down. Okay, little bit only. This is okay. 35 centimeter again. So our balcony will come both sides. Okay, we'll provide here curve also, not a straight balcony. Okay, let this arc, first point, second point, third point. This is okay. We are getting something like this. Okay, let this double X A. Okay, click over the line. You can convert your line into arc. So this is the copy again and let this down 50 centimeter. Okay, copy again, let this down 100 centimeter. We are getting exact 150 centimeter our building line that covering our balcony area. Okay, now whatever inside, just simply trim. Now we will take this reference. Let this arc again, first point, second point. So we are getting center to center. We will get something like this. Okay, and simply extend here also and here also. This is okay. Here kitchen we are getting 2 bathroom with bedroom, 1 common toilet, living and dining, and wider balcony for bedroom and for living and dining. This wider lobby we are getting. Okay, now we will cover another flat apartment. So we will provide equal distances, equal length. Okay, what we have provided for this flat apartment, we will provide for this one also. Okay, so we are getting approximate equally because we have provided center to center. If you see here, now let this distance from this bedroom reference, let this offset from here. Okay, and this one from here. Let this straight line and copy again. This kitchen will cover over the duct for ventilation. Okay, same as this 2 bedroom we will get over here also, living and dining, kitchen and toilet. Okay, same as this we will provide here also. Now what you have to do, as much as space you have to move end to end to utilize spacing. Okay, let this here something like this. Okay, so inside we had to provide service room also. You have to leave proper space for service room. Okay, so wider space we are getting double X. Let this line, so we'll connect this line properly up to this point. So this will let full arc. Okay, and trim this part here, here and here, and extend whatever you are getting. So this much part will connect from this side. Okay, now we will arrange properly this space management, this second flat apartment. Let this straight line move here 150 centimeter. Okay, let this point, no problem, and let this here, this will cover our kitchen. Okay, we'll keep this one 100 centimeter. Let this 100 centimeter also. Minimum you can keep entrance 130 centimeter, 120 centimeter. You must have to keep that much corridor spacing for flat entrance. This wider kitchen. So here we will provide attached bathroom, right? Now remaining part will come our kitchen. We will arrange this area. Okay, let this part up to here. We have to leave properly service area. So this will cover our service area. Okay, and rest of the part we will provide our living and dining, bedroom, attached bathroom, kitchen and common toilet. Okay, let this part over here 145 good enough. This will get access for bedroom. Let this 150 centimeter inside. Okay, and let this here also. This part will come directly. So this is our kitchen. Okay, and this is our wider space for wider lobby. So this space we are getting 350, and this corner we are getting 525. So wider space we are getting. Okay, balcony not required. Okay, let this simply, we are getting 210. So let this here 30 centimeter inside. You can go 170 to 180 centimeter, no problem. This is okay. This part we are getting kitchen. This is our common toilet. Okay. Let this 50 centimeter more stretch inside. 230 we are getting inside kitchen. So let this part stretch 25 centimeter. Okay. Now we had to provide only common toilet. Okay. Let this straight line from here, and we'll keep here. This is okay. 127 we are getting. More than that, you can keep 90 centimeter. Let this here 140. Down, we'll keep 240. And let this here. This is okay. For this apartment, we are getting wider space. Take this straight line. Something here. Duct we are getting. Common toilet and kitchen. Okay. Minimum condition we are covering for standard flat apartment. If you see here, we are getting our planning something like this. So this balcony not required, will keep as it is. Okay. Number of 2 flat apartment. Let this here 110 centimeter. So we are getting wider space. Minimum we are required 120 for access. Let this here little bit more. Now okay. This is our lobby area, entrance bedroom, kitchen and toilet. We are getting directly from service area. This is our flat entrance. The rest of the area will cover service area like staircase, lift, service room, ducts. So at this point, you have to imagine properly, you have to practice repeatedly, then you will reach the final result, what we are getting here. So to make auto wall, wherever 20 centimeter, you have to leave space, corner space, as I am leaving, if you see here, because this will connect your 20 centimeter to 10 centimeter straight line. So you must have to leave 5 cm space. Okay. XWW command 20 centimeter. Outer and flat to flat, we will provide 20 centimeter wall. Inner wall, we will go 10 centimeter. Okay. 10 centimeter. Inside whatever we are getting, that is 10 centimeter. This is okay. As I said, you must have to leave space. Otherwise, you will get not connected. If you see here, you must have to match 10 cm wall to 20 cm wall straight wall. This is okay. XWW command 20 centimeter. This one 10 centimeter. And rest of the part 20 centimeter. Outer also. Select similar. Center line not required. Select similar. And center line simply remove. So we have made just 2 flat apartment and rest will go mirror simply. Okay. We'll create handrail with new layer. You can create layer directly by ERN, providing name and color. Layer, new layer. So you must have to work with layer system. This will help to identify your each object properly. This is okay. We will provide auto dimensioning, doors, windows, furniture layout, text. 2 flat apartment we are getting over here. Bedroom, bathroom for all. We are getting wider bathroom size. We will stretch, no problem. So this is okay. We will provide dimension. Okay. Double D, double S. If you see here, we have to customize scale. Type SD 20. This is okay. And we'll keep here 15. Okay, and click over the wall. Just you have to select wall. It will let you your dimension. Okay. This is our final complete dimension. Okay, we will provide auto door. Let this type AD command to provide door. Okay, hole and pier width. Entrance door 100 centimeter. Flat entrance we are keeping 100 centimeter. Okay, bedroom door 90 centimeter. By clicking over the wall, we are getting click over the wall. Here also, this is our kitchen. This is our kitchen. Rest toilet. This is our bedroom. We'll keep toilet and bathroom. Okay, 80 centimeter. Here also, type EW. We will relocate here also. Other side. Okay, because you are accessing directly, you can utilize that space. Now, okay, now we'll provide auto window. Let this AW command 200 centimeter. Click over the wall. This is our window area. This is our kitchen. 80 centimeter for bathroom. Okay, and here also we'll keep sliding door. Okay, let this wider width 200 centimeter. Style will change from here. Balcony area will keep one side. Okay, this will keep wider glass. Let this wider glass 300 centimeter. Okay, this is not our sliding door. Okay, and let this here and one more here. This is our sliding door. Another we are getting open window. Okay, let this AD command hole and pier width 10 centimeter and click over the wall. This is okay. Now we'll provide furniture layout. Okay, double J command living room. This is our living room. This is okay. TV set sofa. Double J command TV set and sofa. By pressing T continue, you can switch TV set style. By pressing S continue, you can switch sofa style. You are getting multiple options. Bedroom, double J command, bedroom. This is our number of 2 chair, TV set, bed and wardrobe. If you see here, we are getting out. In this case, remove this one. YG command, first point, second point, enter. This is okay. Double J command, bedroom, first point, second point. We are getting continuous glass over there. Okay, we will design full glass this room. Okay, and leave this part here. So we are getting our straight continuous glass panel. So this will not affect our opening area. We can rearrange furniture layout later on if required. Double G command, take bedroom. This area we are getting. Okay, this is our bedroom. Number of 2 chair. YG command, provide a straight line to place your wardrobe, something like this. You can keep 180 by 240. Okay, let this wider space we are getting now. Double J command, bedroom, and take 2-point rectangle. YG command, take a straight line to place your wardrobe. Okay, kitchen, take 2-point rectangle. By pressing A continue, you can change working shape. We are getting L shape, sink, ice box and cooker. By pressing C, you can change multiple style for cooker. By pressing S, you can change sink smoothly. Double J command. Here also we are getting kitchen. And let this here. By pressing C, you can switch multiple style for cooker. This is okay. Now balance bathroom. KD command, duct spacing, crossing line. Okay, take 2 points, crossing line. This is our duct. So you can provide cross line by KD command simply. Now toilet balance. Here we are not required bathtub. Okay, By pressing B continue, you can remove bathtub. Tile area you can remove by pressing T in furniture layout placement. Okay. Let this rotate. We'll keep this ventilation side. And this part, let this here. Double G command, toilet. Take 2 point, rectangle. Double G command for bathroom. Here we are required shower tray. Let this 2 point rectangle and place properly something like this. By pressing A continue, you can change arranging mode. Okay. Double J command and take 2 point rectangle. Double J command, toilet, 2 point rectangle. Double J command and 2 point rectangle. Now our furniture layout properly arranged. If you see here, provide text. We'll provide dining room also. We'll provide dining table. Let this double J command, dining room. And this is our dining room. Here also. So this is our dining room. Now provide text. Okay. Bedroom. We'll provide new layer. Let this ERN text, green color, and select from here text. Okay. Now provide text here. This is our living and dining. Bedroom. So we can provide text properly. As we know already, this way we are getting our text also properly. This is our lobby area. You can say internal living because we have wider space. Bedroom 1, bedroom 2, balcony area, kitchen, duct, toilet, bathroom, here kitchen, bedroom 2, bedroom 1, living area, internal living area, duct, toilet, living and dining. This is our complete arrangement for number of 2 flat apartment. Inside we will keep hatching in balcony area, here and here also, and here also. We'll provide different style. Okay. Let this one. Okay. Okay. Let this hatch angle and scale. Okay. XTC hatch angle, double HA, HTC hatch scale, double HA hatch angle. This is okay. And simply match here and here also. We'll change this angle. Quickly double HA. You can simply switch your hatch angle directly from here. Okay. And here also. We'll change color. This one. Okay. So this is our complete 2 flat apartment. Now we'll provide hatch, solid hatch for our wall. Okay. So same as it is, this 2 flat apartment will relocate exact sizes. 4 side, WWF command, select all. You can fill directly your entire wall. In case if you're not getting filled, then it might be possible. Then it can be Now we will mirror. Okay, we are getting solid hash, something like this. Now we will mirror. Okay, why I taking these two lines? This will help to mirror. Okay, let this bring to front, center to center. This will help to mirror. Okay, same as this. Just select all, mirror, MI. Now we had draw this line, right? Now let this here center to center. Okay. Ortho mode on. Erase source object? No. Same again. Select all. Mirror. Let this point. Erase source object? No. This is the final condition. Our 8 flat apartment with proper arranged. If you see here, we are getting number of 8 flat apartment. Front side we are getting 170 centimeter projection. Our building line projection will go 170 centimeter. Okay. This part we can rearrange, no problem. Point 4, because we have arc, okay, that's why we are getting. This is okay. Keep in mind, our setback 3 side 300 centimeter, front 170 centimeter projection, 3 side 300 centimeter, left, right and rear. Then this is our building line. Blue line, our rectangle, is our building line. Okay. Now what balance? Number of 2 staircase, lift, service room. Okay. Let this straight 300 centimeter. Again here 300 centimeter. Again 300 centimeter. Now this is our final plot limit. Okay. So when you design like this any project, first you have to leave standard offset, setback. Okay. After that, create building line. And then after you can simply relocate your planning. And finally, arrange 1 or 2 flat apartment, depends on your requirement. And then simply mirror. This is okay. This is our. This side we are getting. And here we are getting our dimension, our plot dimension. Now I will scale. Let this 1:100. Okay. Let this again. This is okay. See, this is our 300 centimeter setback. And this is a 170 projection. Copy here. Let this 240. Okay. 220 not possible. 220 not possible. You must have to keep 250 minimum. Okay. Let this here. Copy again. 520. And here also 300 centimeter. Illustrate inside later on after arranging our lift here. 230 we are getting. 20 centimeter we are required. And let this here little bit down. 10 centimeter. Okay. Copy again. Corridor you can keep 200 centimeter. 180 also you can keep. Okay. Number of 3 lift will provide. Now this side our lift and this side our staircase properly. Okay. This is our staircase. This side will keep lift. Number of 3 lift and number of staircase. 280 we are getting wider space. For lift no problem. 230 more than that. Split division into 3 segments. Number of 3 lift will place. 1 here. Let this inside 10 centimeter. 50 centimeter. FX to join. Multiple corner 50 centimeter here also. Effects to join multiple corner. Division again, 3 division. Let this here, first one. Copy again, second one. DTJ command, take rectangle. Click back side. DTJ command, take rectangle. Click back side. Now front. Same here also. Click back side. Now front. Click back side. Now front. Number of 3 elevator we are getting over here. 230-600 for elevator. This is okay. Now, here we can keep fire cabinet, but we are getting wider space. Means dead space you cannot keep like this. Okay. You must have to arrange, you must have to utilize that area. This is our staircase. We have provided duct also. We have to provide service duct for this staircase. Now, we'll place here staircase. AD command. This door we are getting. Let us see total width 280, landing width 120, tread width 135. Okay. So we are getting stair level width 10 centimeter. Step number 20. First number will go 10, second will go 10. Okay. Okay. To group it will come into group. Okay. And just place something like this. If you see here, double GX command, ASC, each scale 0.4. This we are getting our staircase. Now let this here, stair window, KD command, crossing line, inside duct. Okay. So this dimension 550 we are getting, and here 280. Okay. 160 duct area. Now select this one because we have to relocate another staircase another side. Midpoint erase source object, no. This is our another side staircase, same as this. Number of 2 staircase. Okay. And rest of the part will go service room. One more fire cabinet we can keep over here. Let this mirror. And this too, let this mirror again. Erase source object, no. So we'll get over here something. Now what you have to do, select your wall line. Mirror again. Erase source object, no. This is okay. And simply stretch. So this part we are getting wider space. We can rearrange, we can utilize this space to make our inside bathroom and wider balcony and wider living and dining will cover over there. Later on we can do simply. Okay, let this here. Straight line. And connect here. TX. And here will come something like this. Okay. So this is what? This is our exact service room. Gas, CCTV, drainage, telephone, water supply, electrical room. Number of service room will cover here. This is okay. Now provide dimensioning, service door, and text. So we can keep here 1. This is our gas room. We can keep here 1 window. Okay. For ventilation. Let this AW2 command, first point, second point. This is our ventilation. Okay. Copy again. This is telephone room. CCTV, electrical, water meter. This room sizes you must have to coordinate with service areas. Okay, it can be readjust as per service arrangement, as per service calculation, learning common. So let this here. It can be common service form. Okay, let this style. We'll keep different style. 70 centimeter, good enough. Okay, just click over. Let this dimension. Okay, 110 we are getting. Good enough. Double D double X, take a straight line. You have scale properly. Let this. So equally 110 we are getting for service rooms. And 230 we are getting this side. Now what balance? Our corridor area. So this will be our file cabinet. So number of 2 file cabinet not required. You can keep one as it is. Okay. Same here also. Copy and keep here. This one not required. This is okay. We have to fill our wall. Let this hatch and fill your wall. Now let this here. Corridor area, proper hatching. Let this P line. Okay. So this is our hatch area. Okay. Let this corridor. So inside we are getting 200 centimeter. As I said, you can keep 180. No problem. We are getting 200 centimeter. Good enough. So this is our hatch pattern. So our final typical plan with 8 flat apartment ready. If you see here, we are getting proper, professional, complete, typical floor, residential building planning. If you see here, exact as it is everywhere. Now we will cover parking floor with column layout. Okay. So this is the final condition for our typical floor plan with 8 flat apartment. We will arrange parking planning and basic column layout. Previously we have covered this typical plan only. So let this shear wall, this area will cover shear wall. Okay. Let this rectangle, number of 3 lift we have, 2 staircase we are getting over here. Okay. So this rectangle we are getting here. Now over this rectangle, let this 600 parking. Okay. So we'll create one parking layer. Okay. Let this parking layer. By ERN, you can simply create parking layer and select here parking layer. This is okay. What we have to do, provide offset. Again 600 centimeter from here and again 550 centimeter from here. Okay. Our clear parking space. So driveway we cannot keep anything, no column in driveway area. So we have to adjust as per these preferences. Okay. So copy this part over here. Let this again, we have draw this line. Okay. Let this copy and let this here. So we have to arrange our parking area over here. So this part we can stretch because we are required. So let this part stretch something like this. No problem. This will come something like this. Same as this here also. This part, let this stretch from here down. This is our plot limit. Plot limit means we are getting projection approximate 170. Okay. This will start from parking floor. Ground floor or building line will cover 0, 0. And this point we are getting our projection. Let this straight line for the reference. Okay. This is imaginary line. And let this here. This will come straight up to here. Our car parking area will cover up to this point. This is okay. Now if you take dimension, we are getting wider space. So we can stretch this part. We are getting 600 centimeter. So let this part stretch around. Minimum we need 550. So we are getting 817. So this is wider space. In this case, what you have to do, just simply stretch this full part down. Okay. Let this 200 centimeter. Minimum we need 550 for car parking spacing. Let this 17.2 more. Okay. Now we are getting here 600 centimeter. Okay. This is our building line. Okay. Building line will start from ground floor. Okay. Now this is our wall. Let this wall here and let this part here also 20 centimeter. This is our wall. If you take rectangle, we are getting here. If you take 20 centimeter down. Now let the dimension linear 530. Minimum we need 550. Okay. 600 centimeter. Stretch 20 centimeter. This is okay. Now what we have to do? Let this double D double W for cross check. 550 here, 600 here, 600 here, 600, 550, 550, 600 and 600. We are getting properly. This is our wider parking area. Okay. If you take this reference over here, so we are getting something like this. Okay. Means we have to cover this part as it is if you want to take this up to end. Otherwise it will be as a projection approximate 20 centimeter. So we will cover this thing very carefully, okay, when we finalize one time. For now, we'll keep this 17.20 centimeter out, okay. For this reference, we have taken approximately 20 centimeter more, okay. What you have to do, just let the shear wall, because this will cover our shear wall, okay, and let this here also. This will go from ground floor to top floor, okay, and we'll keep here and provide wall lines and provide shear wall lines properly. Now we are getting something like this, okay. Let this center to center from here, okay. Let the CV command just for the reference 250, okay, up to here. Same as this mirror, because we have to arrange two side only, okay, and let this one more here. CV command 250, minimum you can keep 250, okay. This is okay, and let this part mirror also. Just select all and mirror again. So this is the rough condition for our parking layout, and we will arrange properly column layout over here as per typical area, because we have center to center lot of spacing. So we have to arrange as per parking, as per typical our column layout, okay. This part we cannot keep anything, any column layout, because it must be clear. This is our clear driveway. We'll start parking floor over here, okay. Let this radius 150. This is our car turning radius. You can keep 150 minimum, and let this here offset again 600 centimeter. So this is our driveway area. Let this offset again 300 centimeter, because we had two-way drive, okay. Now let this full copy outside, okay, for the reference here. Now what we have to do, this part, let this select here, and these two deselect, okay. We'll give different color for this, okay. Again copy this part. We will take this part, break, okay. Full explode, we'll provide dark color, any shaded color to match, to arrange our parking layout, okay. Let this explode, okay. Now let this color, okay. This is okay. Now let this full copy and keep over here. So why we are keeping like this? Because we have to arrange column layout. Driveway we cannot keep column layout, and parking area also should be maximum as much as we can arrange. So wherever we will keep, we will align perfectly typical area also and parking floor also. Now if you see a center to center, we can place one column, and again here we are getting parking also, and below living area also. So we have to arrange properly. Let this double ZR and provide column spacing, okay. Let this 120 by 20, okay. So this is our column size, okay. Roughly we are keeping our column size, okay. Let this block reference and place here. Copy again and let this one more here. One we are getting here, another we are getting here, okay. So we have to rearrange our parking area, okay. As per column, as per typical planning, we have to arrange properly. Let this one more here, Calculation we will do later on. Okay, we are keeping for the reference, and we will stretch up, stretch down later on. Why we are keeping like this? See, there is a typical plan, there is a parking layout. We have to arrange as per this. Not majorly important. You must keep center to center, or you can divide load properly. That is not important. Important is must utilize space, must be utilized. Okay. Let this move up to this wall. Okay. Now copy here and we'll keep here. This is our parking area. Okay. So this is our gap also. We are not getting from first typical nothing. Okay. So this will come up to parking floor only. Okay. Let this rotate and copy. Let this one more here. Let this one here. Okay. And copy again. And we'll keep one more here. Okay. And let this here also. We'll keep this mirror. Okay. We'll go other side same as it is. This is okay. And select here also. If you see here, we are getting this driveway. So for the reference, we cannot keep here, right? So we have to arrange as per this load, as per this span. Okay. 600 centimeter driveway. We cannot keep over there. Let this one more column here. Okay. Copy again and keep here also. Same as it is. Here also. This is okay. So this area we can utilize. We can place our column because we are getting wider span there. Now copy here and keep one column here and one here. This is okay. So this is our rough arrangement for column layout. It can be readjusted properly when we have finalized our car parking, typical planning, ground floor, and we can readjust little bit, stretch up, stretch down. Now, as we know, we have to make one side and rest all go mirror simply. Okay. Let this select similar. This much column we are getting, and let this here center to center mirror. This is okay. Select similar and mirror again this side. Let this part move up to this wall. Okay. Here we are getting our driveway. We cannot keep here. So let this here. One load will divide here. Okay. Copy again and keep here. Let this again select similar and we'll keep here. So this reference we are getting something like this. Okay. So we had to readjust our parking statement again, and we had to readjust our column placement also little bit, not majorly. So here we are getting wider space. We will provide one car parking here also. So this divide equally. Number of 3 car parking will cover here. We are getting 675. So we'll cover number of 2 only. Okay, let this division 2 division. Copy here. This is okay. So this is our parking layout. Corner to corner we will place one car parking. Let this here offset 550 centimeter. Okay. One car parking we are getting over here also. Let this 50 centimeter more because we are getting wider space. This is okay. We are getting something like this. Let this mirror center to center and mirror here also. And same as this mirror here also. So this is our service area. Number of 3 car parking we will place here also. Okay. So this column we are getting here. So let this copy again and we'll keep one more here. Okay. If you see here, we are not getting space here for car parking. So we'll remove, we'll keep later on. Okay. This is okay. We are getting something like this. Our complete parking area as per column layout, as per typical planning. Now, whatever inside we are getting, that simply remove because we have made already center to center. Let this here. It must be equally and let this here also. This is okay. So number of car parking we are getting over here. As per typical plan, we must have to provide each flat apartment. If we have more than 150 square meter, then we have to provide number of 2 parking for each flat. If we have less than 150 square meter, then we can provide 1 car parking. Okay, equally divided. Let this is straight line, 3 division. Okay, and at this point, something like this. Okay, so it got equally divided. Minimum you can keep car parking 250 by 550. Okay, let this copy again and keep this reference. This is okay. Same here also. Let this dimension line. If you see here, we are getting here 240. Let this here 10 centimeter and 10 centimeter. This is okay. 10 centimeter here. Minimum we can keep 250. Okay. Let this 10 centimeter here. 15 centimeter we have provided. Okay. Let this select similar. Okay. Because we have to check out our layer also. This is our parking line, and we will create here different. We will place here different color. This one okay. This is our parking area. Now this part not required. You can simply remove. Otherwise let this here. Later we can utilize for the reference. Okay. And let this here. Let this plot limit and other important dimension which will go continually, and copy any reference and keep it here. This is okay. Now these line not required. Select similar, this column area, and keep it here. What we have to do, just let this inside. This two okay. This two only. And here also. This is okay. Let this column. This will go only above parking area. Okay. And later on will connect over the load. This will go only parking up to parking. Okay. Let this part copy. For the reference, we will check out our spacing properly. If you see it, this parking line we are getting something like this, straight clearly. Okay. Now copy again and keep it here. So what we have to do, we have to provide dimensioning, driveway and block dimension, level. Level we will finalize after ground floor. Okay. First parking, second parking, and parking floor, and second parking level 2. So this much we are getting for now, and we will arrange dimensions, number of car parking, driveway. Okay. So let this here. This is our typical floor plan. First parking, second parking, and second parking level 2. Okay. This is okay. Typical floor plan. So this is our 210 centimeter approximate projection. Okay. Corner to corner, end to end, we are getting 200 centimeter balcony projection also. Let this dimension here. Okay. We will provide car parking dimensioning. Okay. By double D double X command, you can provide cross dimension in one time over the straight line. This is okay. Now we are getting fraction value, decimal digits, double D 0. Okay. Provide round to 1. Okay. Just select all. Now you are getting round dimension. This is okay. And let this dimension one more here and one here. This is okay. Same as this, we can mirror, right? So let this all the dimension properly wherever we are getting our parking. Okay. If you see here, we are not getting equal. So later on we can rearrange. We can equally place our parking statement. Parking spacing, if you see here, somewhere 250, 255, 280. So we have fixed space. We can do this later on. Let this here also. As we know, we are getting wider space from front side because we have projection here. Let this part also mirror as it is other side. This is okay. This is okay. Now I will place this block everywhere. Okay. This car block. Okay. So standard size for your parking 250 by 550. Okay. Let this copy everywhere wherever we are getting parking. Okay. We are getting something like this. Center to center also will provide car parking area. Okay. Let this wall here. We are getting lift lobby. Okay. We will provide car here also. Okay. Here we are getting 790. Minimum 250 by 550. Okay. Let this here 550. Okay. If you see here, we are getting column here. So not possible to place parking here. So in this case, what we'll do? So we'll readjust our column. Okay. Because here is the possibility we can readjust because we are getting shear wall. So wider span we are getting here, but we can arrange because number of 2 shear wall we are getting staircase. So this column layout for now we will remove because we are getting access for parking. Okay. Let this simply one column move. We'll see where we are getting space. That part we will move. Okay. Here also. Now let this down. This reference we can keep here. Okay. And this column for now we will remove. Okay. Because we are getting shear wall over there. and remove here also, and remove here also. Let this extend up to here. Okay, copy again. Here we are getting 240. Okay, we can readjust as a compact car parking area. Let this 5 centimeter inside. So we can consider here compact car parking area. Okay, let this copy, and one car parking will cover here also. Number of 4 car parking we are getting here also. Center to center, good enough. Let this car block, one here and one here. If you see here some spacing we are getting not proper, means we are not getting equal spaces. So this thing we will rearrange when we will finalize our smooth finishes. Okay, and let this one here. Okay, this is our lift lobby. Okay, match from here. Let this WD. This is okay. Now I will provide hatching. Okay, okay. Let this hatch wherever we are getting space. This we are getting space. Okay, let this hatch here, and here also, and here also, here also, here also. Okay, let this different layer and different hatch style for hatch what we have provide. Okay, XTC command provide hatch scale and match this to other hatch pattern. Okay, we'll provide lift area, lift lobby, hatch frame. Let this rectangle. This is our floor tile. Okay, this will consider our floor tile, lift lobby. Okay, so lift lobby we are getting 200 centimeter. Our corridor from typical plan. Okay, good enough. Minimum you can go 180. Okay, now we'll provide dimension here also 600 centimeter. From 4 side we are getting 600 centimeter. Okay, so this is driveway, two-way drive, 300 300. Okay, and turning radius we are getting 150 centimeter. Good enough. Now let this entrance arrow, let this leader point our driveway, it will go something like this. Okay, so we are getting more width, we can reduce its this point width, we are getting wider space, we'll reduce little bit later. Okay, and let this copy everywhere. This is okay. We are getting our car parking layout. What balance? We have to provide leveling also, which is very important. When we will finalize ground floor, after that ramp start from ground floor and will go gradually, first parking, second parking. At that time we will provide level. Okay, for now let this here second level, first level, this reference. Okay, just remove all and we'll keep directly this parking. Okay, we will provide index symbol. Let this S1 command and let this point index symbol, and after providing you have to customize little bit. Okay, let this S1 command, this point. Okay, this is okay, and just provide everywhere. So wherever we are getting turning, we will mention their level. This level will identify, this level will calculate when we will finalize ground floor and we start parking area, ramp, and gradually will cover first parking, second parking, and second parking level 2 also. Okay, let this arrow little bit smaller, now looking more proper. Move here and let this here and copy everywhere simply, and we will mention two-way drive. So what balance in this parking statement? Our slop percentage, ramp. Okay, and rest all set. Service room we will place later on, like fire cabinet and rest of the service area. So inside we have rearrange. So what we'll do, let this inside whatever we are getting here, copy this reference. Okay, this reference will go everywhere. Aspect leveling, when we will finalize level, then we will place properly. Copy here first reference and second reference, and let this one also something like this. Okay, now I will provide hatch pattern inside shear wall and let this match simply. This is okay, and copy this reference and keep everywhere. Now we are all set. This is our car parking floor plan layout with complete column layout. Next we will cover ground floor plan. Okay, we will cover ground floor plan. Okay, Previously we have a number of 3 parking floor, typical, and this is third chapter. We will cover ground floor plan. Okay, what we have to do, let this copy this area. Okay, take this reference point, your column layout, okay, and shear wall, lift, and this staircase also. Okay, let this copy and take this reference and keep here. This is okay. This is our column layout arrangement and plot limit. Okay, so this is our building line. This will go inside full because this is our building line and this will cover projection. Okay, so this will cover something like this. Okay, and projected area will provide single line, hidden line. Okay, so this is okay. So we have to arrange our column layout. We have a stretch inside, right? Let this straight excel line, and wherever we have placed this column will go inside, right? Let this one and this one also. Let this copy here and here also. Let this reference point. Now okay, we are getting our column over here properly. Now we'll arrange this part. Okay, number of shop area, parking ramp from ground floor. Let this part copy. Okay, this is our driveway and keep in ground floor. Okay, now let this here straight line. We are getting 675, good enough. Minimum you can go 600 centimeter. We are getting more than that. Let this copy. So this is our ground floor entrance for car driveway, and we'll go first parking, second parking from here. Ground to first parking, first to second parking, and second parking to parking level 2. So 750 we are getting our turning area. Let this 600 centimeter. So this is our driveway from ground floor. Okay, so let this two part move because we have space over there. Let this move center to center, our column area. So this is the condition. We are getting our parking area, something like this. Okay, let this break line over here. Okay, so this is our 14% slab from ground to first parking, and rest will go 4%. Okay, so this area will cover our electrical room and transformer room. Okay, and this is our entrance, our driveway, and we can show our ramp which is going 14%. Okay, this part will cover service room. Okay, so here we do not require, we can simply remove. Okay, this is our staircase area. Access window also not required. Let this part all remove. Okay, here we will arrange main entrance, number of shops, service room. Here we will provide garbage room, main entrance, and front side will provide number of 4 shops. Okay, this part will cover our entrance area for our access, main entrance lobby. Okay, let this wall layer. So this part will cover our garbage room and main entrance. Okay, let this up to here, and this staircase door will go another side. We'll keep this opening another side. Okay, something here, and let this trim. So this is our back exit. Okay, and here our entrance, main entrance. Okay, and this area will cover our number of shops. This block we have, our wall block. Okay, this will cover over here, and this part will readjust properly as per curving, as per turning area. Okay, so this is okay. We are getting 600 centimeter proper spacing for our two-way drive. This is okay. Now what balance? We have to arrange our shop area. Okay, let this copy here, and here we'll provide our pump room. Okay, One more shop will cover here also. And front will keep number of shops. Okay. Watchman room and garbage area will cover here because we are getting service room here in typical area. So we must try to provide garbage chute that connects directly from typical floor to ground floor. So this area we are getting service room in typical area. That's why we are providing here garbage room. Okay. And here we are getting our watchman room. Let this spacing properly. By providing AD, you can keep door over here and here also. Okay. Here we are getting smaller space. Let this here because we'll provide dual entrance for our garbage trolley. Okay. So you must have to keep wider space for opening. This block will keep full continuous our garbage room. Okay. And here we will provide one service room and one laundry room. Okay. Let this part stretch little bit over here. And here we will provide watchman room, service room and laundry room. Okay. And this part will cover our watchman room. And here we are getting wider space for entrance. Okay. Let this draw wall here. And this part will go our service room. Here we will provide telephone room, electrical room and substation. Okay. This is okay. We are getting something like this properly. And let this copy here. We are getting wider space. We'll provide back exit corridor. Okay. And telephone room, electrical room and substation room. Okay. Whether we are getting wider space, when we will finalize, we will rearrange spacing properly. Okay. Substation, electrical room and here we are getting telephone room. Okay. And this area will provide our pump room. Okay. Here we are getting wider space. As I said, when we will finalize, we will rearrange properly. So this area will cover our pump room. Okay. And provide here dual leaf door. Okay. Simply. And here also. This is okay. And this here shop door also. Number of shops we are getting. Okay. Here we will provide door come window. Okay. Glass door also and come window. Let this style. So by AD command, you can simply place door and by AW command, you can place window also by clicking over. If you see here, let this here also and number of shafts we are getting over here also simply and extend simply here. This wider corridor we are getting over here with service room. Okay. So here what we'll do, we will make one common corridor. Okay. That will access our telephone room also, electrical room also. Okay. We'll let this wider gap. Okay. Simply. This is much better. We are getting wider space for back exit and telephone access also. Okay. Now I'll provide door here, dual door. Let this 240 unit and let this door here also. Okay. Watchman door will keep 90 centimeter. This is our watchman door. Okay. So this door, let this here. This is our watchman room. Okay. We are accessing through here. Back side also and front also will provide door. Okay. And provide shop door also. Okay. And service door properly. So we are providing door come window for our shop. Okay. And this part, let this full open. Okay. Wider access, fully open. This is our ground floor plan. Number of shop we have. This is okay. And here we are getting wider entrance. Okay. Now what we have to do, let this simply place our entrance door also. Okay. So this is our main entrance and wider access here. Okay. Number of 2 or number of 3 step will provide here. Okay. So this column we are missing there. So let this copy and let this here. So we'll provide door come window also. Okay. And let this select this block and we'll provide different style, different color. Okay. Let this one. This is okay.
Now we'll keep door also. Let this reference and keep it here. Let this reference and keep it here. And we'll keep here also. Okay. Let this mirror. One here and one here. Okay. Now our block properly defined. Let this service room. Okay. Garbage room, electrical room, substation room, pump room, laundry room, washman room, main entrance lobby, wider lobby, okay. And this is our wider entrance. And we'll keep here common service room, okay. This is our watchman room, okay. Window this side, okay. And let this part stretch up to here because we have to provide attached bathroom also. Let this P line will provide here floor tile hash. This is okay. Now I will provide dimensioning. Okay, you can provide dimensioning by double D, double S command also, or dimension linear simply, double D, double W command also. So let this dimension properly. Okay. Let this door here. Okay. And dimension here also. And one here also. So this is our fire exit. Okay. Now I will provide bathroom area, bathroom and pantry. Okay. Let this select similar or dimensioning. Okay. Double D 0 command. Just select all. If you have approximate value 0.5, 0.4, it will readjust properly. This is okay. Now what balance we have to provide toilet area and change this staircase. Okay. This will go from up here. Okay. So this is our ground floor plan structure. This will come something like this. We have to place toilet with pantry for washman room, shop. Okay. Let this reference from here. Okay. 220, 200 centimeter. Let this copy here 10 centimeter. And let this inside 50 centimeter. And let this inside 100 centimeter. This is spacing good enough. And let this hole open by HO command and provide door. Let this smaller size AD command, hole and pier width. We'll keep 80, good enough. And let this 10 centimeter only. Same, mirror this side also. This is okay. And provide dimension. And you can scale simply by ST command by clicking over. And let this lintel area with hidden line. Okay. And change here line type scale and give different color. So this is our lintel area. We'll open, wider open. Okay. Copy again and let this reference and here also. So this area will cover pantry and one toilet. Okay. Good enough. This is space good enough. We are getting over here. Okay. Let this toilet and pantry. Same reference we will copy everywhere. Okay. Let this one here and mirror simply. And we'll provide washman room also. And we'll provide here bathroom. Bathroom sizes minimum you can keep 180 by 240. Okay. You can keep 180 by 240. And let this here our bathroom area. This is okay. This is our pantry. And this is bathroom access. Okay. Let this dimension 100 centimeter. And here getting 194, 195. Round dimension value 195 by 160. Okay. No problem. Good enough space we are getting here. And let this here. Copy this reference again and keep this side. Mirror. Let this again and keep it here. And mirror this reference and keep it here. And we'll keep here also. One more. Let this copy and place here. Shop also we are getting ready. And let this dimension here we are getting washman room and garbage room. Okay. Now we'll provide solid hash for our wall area and entrance will provide slope also for our ground floor. Okay. Let this point ramp. Okay. So this is our slope. Okay. Same here also. Let this small slope. Okay. We'll provide solid hash for our wall area simply. And this glass will provide full glass. Okay. This is okay. Same here also. Let this remove. And here also. Let this remove. By FX command you can join multiple corner. Something like this. Same here also. Let this full glass. Okay. And same here also. This is okay. So projection we are getting 210 centimeter straight to here, and let this 40 centimeter. This is okay. Now we are getting our solid hash. Let this select similar, bring to front, and we'll provide different color. Okay. Let this column layout different color. Okay. Number of column got selected, and let this different color. This is okay. So our ground floor plan will come something like this properly. Now next chapter we will cover auto level, which is very important. That will cover from ground floor, parking floor, typical, roof, top roof floor. Okay.
In this chapter, we will cover ground floor and parking floor leveling. Okay. See, leveling is rich important. Okay. You must have to understand leveling deeply. Okay. Parking calculation sheet is rich important. Driveway with parking allow 4%, not allow within 14%. If you go 14%, you cannot park. Okay. You go 4%, you can park. Minimum turning radius 150 centimeter. Maximum turning radius as much as you want, you can go. 4% calculation, driveway length into 4 by 100 as repeatedly we have calculated previously. 14% calculation, driveway length into 14 by 100. This is the exact simple calculation sheet for parking layout, and this is just general calculation to clearly understand how to calculate 4%, how to calculate 14%, and how to divide and how to get result. So this ground floor plan we will keep interlocking level, which is around 15, okay, 15 watt, 15 centimeter, means from 0 to 15 centimeter, okay. So your initial ramp start from 15 centimeter, okay. Let this portion copy and keep it here. So this is your slab going exactly ground floor to first parking, okay. We will keep here 14% slab. See, maximum you can go 15%. If you go 14% slab, then you cannot park your car, okay, but you can drive only. So we are going straight forward 14% slab from ground floor to first parking floor, okay. So let this mention here. This is okay. So two-way drive we have more than 600 centimeter. So minimum condition 600 centimeter two-way drive, okay. Same as this, let this copy here also. So this is exactly our driveway, which is starting from ground floor, okay, and directly reaching first parking, second parking, level 1 and level 2, okay. So this is our exact driveway. Let this portion here, okay. This is our driveway length. Let this explode simply. We will identify its perimeter, okay. How much total length we are getting for this line. ZC command, okay. Decimal digits, let this 2 only. So we will get a unit in mm, okay. And select your length. Enter. So this is what exactly. See, we are getting 1730 centimeter total length, means this is our driveway length, okay. Separate for 20 centimeter, 70 approximate here, 640 centimeter here. So total we are getting 17.3, means 1730 centimeter. So we are assuming everywhere centimeter unit. So this is our 420 centimeter unit, okay. And this is also exactly 67 centimeter unit. So let this range meter into centimeter, okay. So we are getting 1730 centimeter total length for 14% driveway up to here, okay. This is clear. So let this portion copy, okay. So this is our interlocking. We can consider here also this is our plus 15 level, and as much as we'll add, This will add into plus 15 everywhere. Okay. Now we will identify each point how much level we are getting in increment. Okay. So as simple as that, we will see here. Let this plus command select this 2 and this one also. Enter. Take your value here. So this is your complete addition for this 3 value. Okay. What we will do, we will calculate 14% slope. Okay. And we will identify this portion. Okay. So we have summarized 3 value. Okay. So this is our very simple calculation for our car parking. Okay. Our slope percentage. So we are going straight forward 14% slope. Okay. So let this here multiplication. Okay. Just enter multiplication. Select your this value, then this value. Enter one more time and take your result. We are calculating 14%. Okay. 159.04. Now we have to divide this value into 100. Division, select your value, then dividend 100, then take your result. This is your exactly 1136, which is 14% slab will go 159.04 centimeter. So this is your 14% slab calculation height. Okay. So we will add this 159 plus 15. Okay. Again 159 plus 15. Okay. Simply this value will add to this value. We will get our slab height. This one, enter one time and get it here. So 174 centimeter height we are getting this point. We have added 3 value. Same copy this one. Okay. And let this here. Okay. And let this here 174.04. This is your slab height up to this much length. Okay. Now we have to add 594 also. Let this copy this point. Okay. And keep it here. Same as this we are getting. Same as this value will add 594 length equal to 14% slab. Okay. So same as it is, we will calculate this one also. Let this multiplication. Select your value, enter one time. And select this 14 because we are calculating 14% slab. So you are getting this result. Now divide into 100. Okay. Select your value. Select 100 and take your result. So this is exactly 83 centimeter plus 174. You will get here height. Okay. This is your 14% slab height. Got it? Let this summarize. This value and this value, enter and get it here. And this we are getting 257.20. Same as this, match this value and let this here. See what exactly happening. We are getting this level 257 centimeter height up to this point. Our driveway length level got identified. What you have to do, take any reference, okay, and keep it here. Just simply keep it here. Same as it is, we have to apply everywhere much accurate. So we are using auto calculator. So it will let error free. Don't worry for that. Same as it is, we will reach here. First parking level 1 and level 2. Now we will go 4% slab. Okay. Rest all. And up to 300 centimeter we will go 14%. Rest all we will go 4%. Okay. Let this base point and keep it here. So this is your exactly driveway which is directly accessing from ground floor to first parking. Okay. Got it? From ground floor to first parking. Below telephone, your service room. Okay. So we are getting height 257 and below there is a telephone room. Okay. So we will let one more 14%. Okay. We will consider approximate 280, 300 centimeter, it is much better. So this part will go 14%, means we cannot keep our car parking that area, okay? You can keep your car parking with 4% slab, okay? But you can never keep your 14% car parking at that area, okay? So let this portion all remove. Now this much extension will go continue 14%, got it? We are adding this much also straight to 14%. After that, rest all will go 4%. So we are getting 398 centimeter. You can consider 400 centimeter our 14% slab also, okay? Now same as it is, we'll add here also 14%, this 398 into 14, okay? Let this copy here and keep it here. Same as it is, we will calculate its 14% height. Let this multiplication, select this value, click over 14%, take your result. Not now, divide into 100. Let this division, select your value 100, take result. This is your exact height under 398 for 14% slab, okay? What you have to do, let this value plus and let this plus, take your result. So 312 you are getting clear height. This is much convenient, okay? So 314 will come here, okay? And keep it here. So this is our exactly 14% from ground floor to here. So we are getting 312.92 centimeter height from ground floor to this level. Now 14% slab story finish. What we will do? We will go rest all 4%, okay? We have to arrange our parking area also. So 4% will go everywhere, okay? Rest all will go 4%. Same this driveway line, okay? Let this copy simply. So let this driveway symbol, okay? Similarly from here to here, okay? Copy this text and keep it here. So this is exactly we are getting 14% ground to first parking, right? So let this as it is here also, and rest all from first to second level 1 will go 4% only, okay? So let this level symbol copy, okay? This is exactly our driveway, okay? It will go 4% continuously, okay? Let this break here, because this is our break point. Break means you have to identify first to second, second to level 1, level 2. So how you will identify? You have to give one base point. So this is our exactly base point, okay? Now rest all just keep your level point to identify, okay? Same as this, copy this level symbol, okay? And keep randomly wherever you will identify your leveling. This one and this one, and here also. Same as it is here also. And keep here one more and one here also. So at which reference we are getting our level difference, this will identify with this point, okay? So we will identify these levels, okay? Driveway length, okay? So we will take this complete perimeter for our driveway length, okay? Same as this, we will calculate with 4% slab, okay? So let this calculation here, and we will take complete perimeter for this line, okay? Same as it is, ZC command, okay? And select your P line, enter to get your entire perimeter, okay? Enter one time, and yes, this is our exact perimeter. See, we are getting in meter, but you must have to go into centimeter, right? So you just consider 490, 470, and we are expecting everywhere must be centimeter, right? So let this as it is, we will calculate our percentage. 4% will go everywhere, okay? So let this double TQ command we will identify. We will let this value in one table, clear access, okay? To calculate in one place, select your perimeter length, okay? got selected, enter one time, come to here, sort mode, by select order, OK, and click here. This is nothing, just our string collection, our level collection we are getting here. Okay, now we will calculate our slope percentage as per 4%. Okay, so 0.77 meter, this value we have to remove, right? So let this find command, we will remove m everywhere. Okay, let this find, find, and right here m for meter we have selected already. Just you have to do replace all, so it got removed everywhere. This is okay. So this is our exactly centimeter value. It is everywhere changing. Let this plus. Okay, now we will calculate our 4% slab. Multiplication into 4. Before we have taken 14, now we are taking 4%. Take your result. Now divide into 100. Select this one and this one, and let your result. 677 height, 27.08. Let this value and this value will add here. Okay, let this double st command, we will match this value to our existing level and match here simply. So it got added 340. Now we are getting. Okay, so same will go as per 4% slab. Our height will increase gradually. Okay, same as it is here also. 707 centimeter we are getting. So let this part remove. Let this as it is 340 updated height. 707, this got tick. Okay, we are clear with this turning area. Same as it is, let this here multiplication. Let this here multiplication. Click 707 into 4, enter one time, and get your result. This is okay. Now same as it is, divide this with 100 and take your value. This is 28.28 centimeter, our height for this value. So we will add this to this, and this is our 368.28, our updated height for next level. Match simply, double st command, select this one and match here. So as I said, our height gradually increasing. Okay, now we will go 490, then it will add here. Okay, simply. So this got perfectly calculated. Let this tick. Now we will calculate same 490 into 4 by 100. Okay, let this 490. First let this remove. Okay, let this multiplication 490 into 4, your result. This is okay. Same as this, divide 960 by 100. This is your 490 centimeter for 4% slab. Add here to here and get your result. This result match with next level. Okay, this to this. Now we are getting 387.88. Same as this, we will apply 707 again next level. Okay, this is our exactly height, which is increasing gradually to reach first parking, to reach second parking. This is rich important. As I said, you cannot understand in one day, but definitely you can understand. Same as this, 707 value we have already. Okay, so what we'll do, let this again multiplication, 707 into 4, we are getting 4% slope, right? Let this here 2828 by 100, so we are getting 28.28 value. This will add same as it is with next level plus, and let this your value. So 416 we are reaching here. Means from ground floor, from 0 level, you are getting here 416 centimeter height. Same as this, we'll go here 2063. Okay, this got clear. Let this both here something. Okay, for the reference, this is for just reference only. 2063. Okay, same as it is, multiplication, select your value into 4. Let this result, same as it is, divide with 100. You will get 82.52 centimeter. This is your exact height for this much length. Now add this value same as it is with previous updated level, okay, this level, and this value will add here, okay. So let this point 498 we are getting here. Just update ST command, select your value, click existing value, it got updated. This is okay. Now what you have to do, it will apply here also same as it is, and this value we have already here, alright. So we have to calculate simply, and we will place here also, okay. Now what we have to do, we will calculate this value, okay, to get its default value, and we will use further same as it is, okay. Let this remove. Now let this multiplication, select this one, okay, 707 okay, into 4 by 100, same as it is. So we are getting 28.28 divided by 100, okay. So we are getting 28.28 for this value, okay. So let this value here, and we will use this value everywhere, right? Same as it is for 490 also. Multiplication 490 into 4 by 100, nothing you have to do. Same as it is, 4% slab means 498 into 4 by 100. 14% slab means 498 into 14 by 100. Just simple as it is. This is your calculation height for slab. Now 707 here also we are getting. So let this here, okay. This is okay. So just you have to add in existing value, okay. So what you have to do, let this plus 498.68, 28.28, then this will add here, okay, 526, ST command, you can simply match existing value to update, just okay. Same 526 will update as per 490 centimeter, 526, 490 we are getting 19.6, enter one time, and same as it is, this value update here, okay. This is okay. Here also we will provide, okay. Let this here plus 707. 707 means here we are getting 28.28 centimeter. So this will update here 312, okay. ST command, update your existing value 574.84 we are getting height from ground floor to first parking level, okay. Well, we have identified our level, our height, which is perfectly automated. We have used auto calculator, so it is perfectly error free, okay. See, one thing is very important at this point, I tell you what. So there is a two level, one below and one top. Let this 1385 into 14 into 4 by 55.40 we will get next value. So this value will update here, okay. Let this plus, we will keep here for the reference, okay. Now let this plus and this one to this one, okay, and let this here. So this is your first parking to second parking level, and 312 is your ground to first parking level, okay. So this level, let this remove, and we will keep updated level everywhere, okay. Now we are getting ground floor to first floor here, and then first floor to second floor, mean first parking level to second parking level, okay. So we will keep here 4% slab, we are getting everywhere 4%, okay. First parking to second parking level, 4% slab will go from here simply, okay, first to second parking, okay. So this part, let this full remove, and one more thing very important, the level will change, okay, and rest all will go same as it is as per first parking, but level will change everywhere, okay, because this is our first parking, then this will be second and level 1 and this level 2, okay. Rest all same as it is. We will place break here, okay, and same value we will update as per our calculation, okay. Same as it is, as I said, just let this reference and copy everywhere, okay. Same as it is, copy here. We will follow this calculation same as it is there also, okay. Then we will go second parking level 2 from here, okay. We'll start 632, rest all continuous, okay. So same as it is, we have calculation, okay. So let this here first parking to second parking level 1 to level 2, okay, simply. Same as this, we will start calculation from 630 level, we'll go continuously next parking level, okay. See, we are going everywhere 4%, right? So no problem for any car parking area. We will take this length, how much we are getting, and let this here 677 centimeter, okay. So same copy, we are taking this pre-calculation, okay, means we can use this calculation later on. 678 approximate. So 678 will multiply with 4% slab, right? Then it will go your final value for this 678 centimeter. How much slab percentage you are getting for this length, okay? So stretch up to here. Now copy this portion and keep it here. This is okay. And you will calculate its slab percentage for 4%, okay? So let this multiplication. Select this one, enter and get your result. And divide into 100. So we will get 27.12 height for 678 centimeter. Match this value to here. This is okay. So this is our pre-calculation. Means we will use this calculation for making our level for this parking plan, okay. So we must have to identify our break line, okay. Where is our ground to first, then first to second, or vice versa. So you must have to identify your break line. So this break line exactly identify your down level, up level, okay, which is going down and differentiating level, and which is going up, okay. Now let this mirror other side. Same level below we will get ground floor. Then again second parking we will get from here, okay. Now we will start calculation. So 678 will add here, okay. So let this provide dimensions also for your driveway, total dimension, okay. To make dimension all in one time, let this copy and keep it here, okay. We will provide double S command, use dimensions, okay, and enter one time. This is okay. We are getting something like this, our dimension. Same as this, let this here and keep it here. So this is our exact dimension for complete driveway area, okay. You can copy same as this everywhere, okay. So let this match properly and arrange dimension with its proper spacing, okay. And we will calculate slab percentage for second parking level 2, okay. So same as this, we have pre-calculation already here. So we will add just only, okay. 630, 678, 27.12 and take your value and match this value to new level, okay. Double ST command, select your updated value and update here simply. Here we are getting 657. Same as this, 707 will update here also. Let this plus this and this, enter one time and get your value here. So same value update here, 368.28. So this is your level, okay. Same 490 we have already pre-calculation, 685, 490 and this value will come here same as it is, okay. Just update this value here simply. This is okay. Same as this, we have already calculation for 707. Just let this 28.28 and apply here simply. So this will add here, okay. This to this simply. Let this portion remove. This one also. So 733 we are getting up to here. So let this value, we don't have pre-calculation for this 2063. 2063 how much 4% we have to calculate, okay. Then simply we will place in next level. So this is our 2063, okay. So first we have to calculate 2063 value how much for 4% slab, okay. Let this multiplication, select your this value into 4, then by 100. It means 82.52 will add your next height for your 4% slab, okay. Double ST command, select this to this match here, okay. Now nothing you have to do. We have already pre-calculation for this one also. 733 plus 82.52. This is okay. And let this here. So this value will update 816.04. Okay. Double ST command, select this one to this one. Just nothing you have to do. Same as it is. We have 707, 25, 28.28. 816 plus 28.28 will go here simply. Okay. So let this value update. Double ST command, select this value and this value. And already we have 490 also. 844.32. 490 we are getting here. 19.60 height. So this will add here. Okay. So we are gradually increasing our slab percentage, our building height. Okay. 863.92 this level. Let this plus only. 707 already we have 28.28. Okay. So this value will come here simply. 892.20. Match this to this. So far we have reached 892.20 height, building height. We have started from plus 15 only. Same as this 13.85 and well 13.85 also we have calculation. So it will go directly from first to second parking. Okay. So same as this level will update. Okay. 892 with 1385. Let this plus. So 1385 we are getting here value 55.40. Okay. And take your result. So 947 will add here. Okay. See, same position you are getting two levels, 630 here and 947 here. This is what exactly. 630 is your below level. Then gradually we have increased and we are reaching next level. That is our 947. Okay. Got it? 637 is our below level. Then we have started gradually this level. Then complete round we are getting 947. Got it? See, not limited to this. When we will clarify section detail, you will rich understand this scenario. This is rich complicated. It took me years of time to understand leveling. Okay. So don't worry for that. When we will clarify section detail, you will get understand deeply. Okay. So we will copy this portion. We will terminate our driveway, this area. Okay. So next level will be terminated up to this level. Okay. Because we will not go further. We will stop our car parking 120 parapet, this portion. So let this level remove and we will keep our updated level because we have copied previously this level, right? So we will remove this level and we will keep this updated level. So take any reference point and keep it here. Okay. So this is our updated level which is continually going up to here. Okay. So 947 continually will go up to here. This level not required for now because we are not getting here any down level. We'll go one time here because we cannot go roundwise. This is our final termination, this point. Okay. 120 parapet. Now we will start calculation same as it is here also up to this end. Okay. And we will add this value here simply. Okay. So this 974 will update here. Double ST command, update your this value. This is okay. Same as this. We'll update here also plus 974 with the 707 28.28. So this will update here also. Okay. So 1003 centimeter we are getting here. Okay. So let this simply update. And same as this 490 we are getting here. So 490 will update 1003 plus. Okay. Let this multiplication 1003 into 4. We have already 90%. Okay. Let this again plus 1003. 490 will add here. Okay. 19.60. And take it here. 1022. Same as this. Our final point is here. So let this plus 1022 707. And this is our final result. We are getting 1050.88 our value. Okay. Well, we have finalized our leveling. Keep this break line here also. Okay. This is our first parking level going down. Okay. So let this hash pattern for this area. This is our concrete parapet. Okay. For now, let this solid hash. something like this. This is our final termination for parking area. Okay, this is very important. When you start ground floor to first level, means you cannot keep anything here. You cannot park your area. You cannot keep anything here. This is your exactly substation area. Okay, so this will go fully empty for this level. Okay, below you will get substation, but here you will not get. And when you will go continually like this next level, then you can utilize 4% slab. Okay, when we will finalize section, then you will reach understand. Okay, so this is our condition for parking planning, first level, second level, and ground also. So far in this chapter we have covered parking floor leveling, ground floor leveling, and next chapter we will cover roof floor and top roof floor. Okay, and second thing, learning takes time, implementation takes time, practice repeatedly. Definitely you will reach your expected result, but not quickly, but with a respected period of time, definitely. Okay, however, if you found any issue, must mention in Q&A area. Okay, definitely I will reply your query. In this chapter, we will design roof floor plan and top roof floor plan. Okay, first thing first, let this copy your plot limit. Okay, what you have to do, you just have to take your P line for your typical plan. Okay, so as we know, this is 4-side mirror, right? So we will take this portion only and keep it here. Take this outer P line, okay, to make boundary, and see, you have to create only one side P line, and this will go everywhere, means 4 side. Okay, let this boundary command. Okay, polyline, click OK, click inside. So we are getting inside outer boundary. Okay, same, let this copy here and trim rest of the part same as it is, just mirror this portion. Okay, take any reference point, this is okay. Erase source object, no. So let this join, and same will apply one more mirror other side. Okay, straight to downward. Okay, we will match 20 centimeter exactly we are getting. Same, let this here mirror this point. Okay, minus x. So this is our outer boundary for our typical plan. Same as it is, this will go our roof floor area. Okay, so what you have to do, rest all, just remove, join this line and keep this as it is in typical plan. Okay, so we are considering this boundary. If I will keep here, if you see here, we are getting exactly all around. This is okay, same as it is. Let this copy and keep it here. What you have to do, you have to take offset inside 20 centimeter. Okay, this is our parapet area. What you have to copy everywhere same as it is, elevator area, staircase, duct. Okay, wherever you have, you just take everywhere. Okay, from any reference, each and every duct, staircase, elevator area. Okay, now what you have to do, take any reference point, copy and keep it here. See, our duct will go everywhere, right? From roof to typical area. Elevator plan will cover our machine area, lift specification, machine area, and staircase will open other side for our roof floor access. Okay, so rest all you can simply remove. Okay, and you can rearrange your proper spacing as per your roof floor plan. Okay, so this is our machine room. Okay, so window area for duct not required. Okay, so let this stretch this part here and arrange same as it is each and every duct 20 centimeter wall from outside, and rest all like window you can simply remove, not required. Okay, let this here also and here also. Match this to this. Same as it is, this will apply here also. Take rectangle and 20 centimeter offset, okay. Take rectangle and rest part remove and take offset 20 centimeter, okay. Same as it is, this part will cover our staircase. Match this wall, okay. And same here also. And rest of the part simply trim. Same as it is here also. So rest all, let this remove. See, this part simply will go other side, okay. So this reference point already we have. Erase source object, no, we are getting this side exact as it is, okay. And this duct area, let this same as it is. Better to keep this same as it is. Let this duct area rectangle and rest all simply remove. So this is our exact OTS, our opening, okay, over the slab. This is okay. Let this line straight to here. So one line will cover here and one line will cover here. And simply let this join, okay. And here we will connect this wall and we will cover this area as a machine room, okay. So rest all, let this remove and join this area, okay. So we can keep one door here to access inside machine room and staircase door will go other side, okay. Let this rotate simply here. This is okay. This machine room we are getting, staircase this area will provide machine room door, okay. And rest all, let this simply join. So this is our machine room, okay. Now let this dimension take base point and keep it here. We'll extend up to here and this one up to here, okay. This is our roof floor plan structure. Simply what we have to do, we'll keep text here also. This is our roof floor plan, okay. And copy simply this point and keep it here. So this will consider our top roof floor. Top roof floor dimensioning text whether you can simply remove, okay. This is just to showcase our top roof area. We'll arrange plot location setup, then we'll identify, okay. Dimensions you can simply remove, not required for now. And text also you can remove, okay. This is our top roof floor, okay. Inside detail for staircase, step dimension simply remove, not required. And door also not required, okay. And here also same as it is. Let this door block remove, okay. Dimension remove here also and let this P line. We'll showcase our little projection area for our top floor parapet, okay. Same as it is here also, take rectangle up to staircase plan. Now let this offset 10 centimeter outside and outside. Let this full remove, okay. And offset again 20 centimeter, okay. Here also. And simply match and take any dash line to showcase our inner hidden line. This is our wall line, okay. And rest all simply trim. So this is our top roof floor plan. Let this dimension one end to another end, okay. From here one dimension we are getting here 2380, okay. Let this base point one dimension here, okay. Match this to this. Copy this point and keep it here. And top roof floor area, let this any lighter color, okay. So this is our roof floor and top roof floor plan. If you have any doubt anywhere, you must leave your question, okay.